How to delete old Facebook account that you cannot access. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen and search for that particular profile that you can simply search for it that you'd want to deny the access for. Now just search for it and tap on the profile that you'd want to just do not give access to, or that's your old profile account. So I'm going to tap on one of these, and what you simply need to do is tap on the three dotted lines. So we do not have that option over here, so let's go to another account and let's just go back, and we generally get the three dotted lines at the top right corner. So select on it and you can simply tap on report profile. So when you report profile, you get to aware Facebook about different access. Like tap on report profile and you can simply see about something about this profile. Then tap about, let's say we can see about different options. So we can tap on fake profile, and here it's ask who or what it is pretending to be. Tap on me, and then you can tap on submit. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.